I was sitting there.
Okay, I have no time for this, okay? Alam ko, I'm in a lose-lose situation.
I don't have time. I don't have time for you.
Because as you said, positive personality.
No, we were sitting there and you were standing in front of me.
Why don't you talk to Danny?
I was asking.
Why don't you talk to Danny?
I'm not talking to you, kid, so don't shut up.
Hey, you don't lay off my kids. Lay off my kids. Lay off my kids. May 16. Lay off my kids. Lay off my kids. Lay off my kids. Lay off my kids.
I'm not touching you.
Yan na naman, yan na naman.
Why are you abusing me? What is the problem, dude?
Tama na, anak.
Fuck off! Fuck off!
Tama na.
He said, shut up to my sister, dude. What the hell is it?
No, tama na.
I said, what the fuck, not fuck you.
Tama na.
Fuck not you. You said, shut up to my sister.
You know,
What the hell is your problem?
it's sad.
What the hell? You said, kid. You said, kid. Get the fuck out of here, dude.
Okay. No, there's no need.
Shut up to my
No,
sister.
there's
It's my
no
family.
need to clear it up. There's no need. Tama na. No, don't do that to
Don't
my...
test my patience.
Don't do that to my...
Test my patience.
Yan na naman tayo. Lahat na naman yan. Naka-YouTube si Doris Bigoya. Alam mo yun eh. Alam mo yun. You purposely did that because I'm Doris Bigoya. What the hell?
That's a waste of time.
Tapos YouTube niyo ako. Ano yun? You're so unfair. You knew that? Bakit ka magdala dito? Tama na. Tama na.
Kawawa yung anak niya.
Alam mo.
Kawawa yung anak niya. Kawawa yung anak
So
niya.
next time, watch Alea Salonga
Kawawa yung
concert.
anak niya. Dude. Come on.
No, next time, watch Alea Salonga concert. Or better yet, Blackjack. What? Sino? Hindi nakapito yung... What's a pika?